Hello my dear students of class 4, welcome to maths class once again. As you know that I am teaching you chapter number 5, multiples and factors, and I have even explained to you about what are multiples, what are factors, okay. And in my previous online class I have taught you exercise 5.2, okay, and I have taught you just 2 questions after explaining the factors, question 1 and 2. So today I will do the left one questions, as I have said you that in my next online class I will do the left one questions of this exercise 5.2. okay. So question 1 and 2 we have already done, okay, and today I will do question number 3, 4 and 5, okay. 3 questions are left. So let us see what is question number 3. Question number 3, write 2 factors of each of the following numbers, okay. So question number 3 tells us that we have to write 2 factors, okay. You know what are factors, as in my previous online class only I have taught you, or you can simply say that what are factors. We will see whatever the number will be given, in which table that particular number comes. Factor means we will see in which table that particular number comes. In simple, if you want to keep in your mind then, okay. So let us do question number 3. Question number 3, A, we have to write 2 factors of 18. This means that we will write those table number in which this 18 comes. Factor means we will write the table number in which this 18 comes. We know that 1 is the factor of every number, because this number comes in one table also. 1 18 is 18, okay, and every number is a factor of itself. So we already know that 1 is a factor of every number and every number is a factor of itself. So we will not write these 2 factors. Okay, we can write any factors in which this number comes. You can write any. We know that it comes in one table and it comes in own table. Okay, we already know this. So we will write some other table in which this comes, 18 comes. Okay, 1 is also the factor. Okay, we know. But we will write any. It is not mentioned that write that particular like factors. Here you can write any factor. Okay, and we know that 1 and itself is a factor. Okay, so we will not write that. We will write something other, okay, in which this 18 comes. Okay, so let us write. So what are the 2 factors? 2 factors of 18 are. Okay, so we will write the 2 factors of 18. So what are the 2 factors of 18? So what are they? It comes in one table, I have said. We will not write 1. Okay, so will this 18 come in table of 2? Yes, 2 9 is 18. So 2 is a factor of 18. So we will write here 2. Okay. And now what is more factor of 18? In which table is 18 come? It comes in 3 table also, no? 3 6 is 18. That means 3 is also the factor. Okay, we have to just write 2. So I have written 2 and 3. You can write any. You can write 2 and 3, or you can write 2 and 6 because it comes in 6 table also. You can write 9 also. It comes in 9 table also. Okay, your wish, because it is not mentioned that you have to write the first 2 or anything. Okay, it is written write 2 factors, so any 2 factors you can write. Okay, now after 18 let us do 33. Question number B, we have to write the 2 factors. 2 factors of 33 are. Now 33, this will not come in 2 table, as you can see the last digit is 3. 3 is not the even number, odd number. It will not come in 2 table. Will this come in 3 table? Yes, it will come in 3 table. Or if you don't know, you can check it by dividing. If you will not get any remainder, that means that number is divisible by that particular number. So this will come in 3 table. 3 11 ja what? 33. 3 11 ja 33. That means 3 is the factor of what? 33. Okay, in 3 table 33 comes, and what I said, 3 11 is 33. 3 is also the factor of 33, and it comes in 11 table also, no? 11 3 is 33. So 11 is also the factor. Okay, so we got the 2 factors. Okay, now we have to find the factors of what? 100. 2 factors. 2 factors of 100 are. So this 100 will come in 2 table also. 250 ja 100. Okay, it will even come in 4 table. Okay, it will also come in 4 table. It will come in 5 table. It will come in 10 table. It will come in 20. So many factors are there of this 100. So you can write any factors. You can write 2 in table of 2. It will come. You can write in the table of 5. It will come. Or you can write in the table of 10. It will come. 10 10 is 100. Okay. You have to write the table in which this 100 will come. Just 2 we have to write. So any 2 you can write. Okay. So I have written here. Now we have to write the factors of 300. 2 factors of 300. 2 factors of 300 are. Now what are the 2 factors of 300? You can see 0 is, that means this will come in 2 table. 300 will come in 2 table. You can write 2. You can even write 3. It will come in 3 table also. 300 ja. It will come in 100 table also. 103 ja. So any 2. It will come in 10 table also. So whatever you want, you can write the factor. Here I am writing it will come in 2 table. It will come in 3 table. So I have written here 2 and 3. Okay. You can write of your own whichever you want. 5, 10. This number comes or not come in that table. Okay, you have to check first, and you can write any 2 factors. Okay, any 2. Okay, so I have written here the factors. So these 4 questions I have shown you. Rest you will do as a homework. Left one you will do as a homework. Okay, now let us see after question number 3, question number 4. Okay. So what is question number 4? Question number 4 is write 2 multiples and 2 factors of. Now see here, in question number 4 we have to write 2 multiples and 2 factors of the given number. Okay, we have to write 2 factors or multiples. They have not mentioned here that we have to write first 2 multiples or first 2 factors. They have not mentioned like that. Okay, if they will mention it first, then we will write first 2 multiples and first 2 factors on it. So we can write any 2 multiples, any 2 factors. Okay, so you know that every number is a multiple of itself. Okay, and every number is a multiple of 1 also. So we will not write this because we know that 32 is a multiple of itself and it is even the multiple of 1. So we will not write 32. We will write other multiples of 32. And multiples means what? Table. We will write the table of 32. Okay, so we write 32 2 ja and 32 3 ja. We have just 2, so you can write any. 32 4 ja, 32 5 ja, whatever you want you can write. Okay, because multiples are not ending, it is endless. Okay, you can write any 2 multiples. So here I will write 32 2 ja, what it is 64. You can multiply and you can write 32 3 ja what 96. Okay, so I have written here 2 multiples of 32 are 64 and 96. I have said you can write any 2 multiples of 32. Now 2 factors of 32 are. Now 32 comes in which table? Okay, so it comes in 1 table also. We will not write because we already know it comes in 1 table. So we will write other than 1 and itself. So it will come in 2 table. As you can see, it is even number. Okay, it will even come in 4 table now. 4 8 ja 32. So you can write 4 also. You can write 8 also. You can write 16 also. Okay, so you can write any 2 factors. Okay, I have written here 2 and 4. Now 25, we have written 2 multiples of 25 are. Okay, so you know 25 2 ja what 50. 25 3 ja what 75. Okay, so I have written here 2 multiples and 2 factors. In which table this 25 comes? Let us write 2 factors of 25 are. Now here you see that 25 will come in 1 table, 5 table and itself. Okay, so it do not have, it has just 3 factors, that is 1, itself and 5. Okay, so if I will write here 5, okay, done. But other than 25 and 1, we don't have any factors, no? Just 3 factors are there, 1, 5, 25. Okay, and I have said you that we know that 1 it comes and its own table it comes. Okay, so in other there were more than 3 factors itself and it was more factors were there. That is why we have not written 1 and itself. Okay, but here 1 is there, 5 and 25 is only there. So let us write that 25 is a factor of itself also. We will write here 25. Okay, as there is no other factor, so we can write here 25. Okay, Now let us see what is the multiple of this. What is the multiples of this 150? So we will write the table of 150 to the what? 300. You have to multiply and you can write 300 and 153 the what? 450. So we got the two multiples. Now what are the two factors? It will come in two table. So we will write here 2 as it is an even number. You can see 0 as it is an even number. It will even come in 3 table now. 3 5 is 15 and 0 3 50 is 150. You can write it will even come in 3 table, or you can write it will come in 10 table also. You can see a 0. It will also come in 5 table. So many factors are there of 150. Okay. Here just 3 factors were there, 1, 5, 25 itself. That is why I have written here 25 also. Okay. So this was question number 4. To write two factors and two multiples, you can write any two factors and any two multiples. Okay. Now let us see the last question, question number 5. So what is question number 5? Question number 5 is find common factors of. Now question number 5, we have to find the common factors. Okay, we will write the factors of 6 and we will write the factors of 8 and we will find the common. Okay, common means what is same, which factor is same in both. So let us write factors of 6 are. Okay, then factors of 8 are. Okay, so let us write the factors. You know that 1 is the factor of every number, and in my previous question I have said that we already know that 1 and itself is a number, every number is a factor of itself, so we will not write that. Okay, if we write that also it is not wrong. We write 1 or itself is also not wrong, but already we know that, no? So why to write that? We will write the other one, but here we have to write the common factor, so here we will write 1 also and itself also. Okay, then only we will get the common. If we will not write that, we will not get the common. Okay, because sometimes factors do not get same, they are not common in both, so at least 1 is the common factor. That means that particular number comes at least in the table of 1. So that is why here we have to include 1 and itself also. Okay, so what are the factors of 6? It comes in one table. 1 is the factor, 2 is the factor of 6. In two tables 6 come, 3 is the factor and 6 itself is the factor, and 6 doesn't come in other table, so we will not write up to this much only. 1, 2, 3, 6 is the factor of 6. Now what are the factors of 8? 1, 2, in 2 tables it comes, in 3 not, in 4, 4 to the 8. Okay, and it directly comes in its own table 8. Okay, so we got the factors of both. Now we will find the common factors. Okay, common factors of 6 and 8 are. So what are common? 1 is common now, 2 is common. Okay, so what are common? 1, 2. So these are the common factors of 6 and 8. Okay, now let us see the next question. Okay, so now we will see question number C, then we will do E. Okay, so we will write the factors of 12 are. Okay, then we will write factors of 18 are. So what are the factors of 12? So it comes in the table of 1. Okay, it comes in the table of 2 also, it comes in the table of 3 also, it comes in the table of 4 also, in 6 and in its own table 12. Okay, we are finding the common factor, we will write 1 and itself also. Okay, it is not mentioned here that we have to write just 2, 3 factors. No, we have to write the factors, we have to find the common factors, so we have to write all the factors, 1 and itself also. Okay, now let us find the factors of 18. It comes in the table of 1, in 2, in 3 also, in 4, 18 doesn't come, 5 also not, 6 it will come, in 9 2 is 18, in 9 also it will come, and it will come in its own table 18. Okay, so what are the factors? 1, 2, 3, 6, 9, 18 is the factor of 18. Okay, these are the factors of 18. So what are common factor? 1, 2, 3, 6. Okay, so let us write here common factors of 12 and 18 are. So what are the common factors? 1, 2, 3, 6. So So these are the common factors of 12 and 18. Okay, in this table 12 also come and 18 also comes. Okay, in 2 table 12 also come, 2 6 are 12, 2 9 are 18, 3 4 are 12, 3 6 are 18. So this 12 and 18 common factors are what? 1 2 3 6. Okay, now let us find the common factor of this 13 and 26. First we will write factors of 13 are. Then we will write factors of 26 are. Okay, so 13 comes in the table of 1. 1 is the factor. Okay, 13 do not come in any table, you know that. You know the table, no? 13 comes in any table? No, it comes in its own table only. So 13 is the factor of its own table. Okay, so there are only two factors of 13, 1 and 13. Okay, now factors of 26 are, it will come in one table, it will come in two table also, no? It will not come in three table, it will also not come in 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, no, 12 also it will not come, 13 it will come, 13 1 is 13, 13 2 is what? 26. In 13 table it will come and it will come in its own table, that is 26. Okay, now you can see here now that what we got common, 1 and 13 we got as a common factor. Okay, in one table both will come and in 13 table both will come. Okay, so common factors of 13 and 26 are. So what are the common factors? 1 and 13. Okay. So 1 and 13 are the factors of what? 13 and 26. Okay. So with this I have completed exercise 5.2 and I hope that you have understood this exercise about factors, about multiples, you have understood. Okay. And just keep in your mind that what are factors? Whatever the number will be given and they will say you to find the factors, what you will do, in which table that comes you have to write. Like this 12 comes in one table, two table, 3, 4, 6, 2. That means these are the factors. Okay. And I hope you have understood this all. Okay. So whatever I have done on my blackboard, what you will do, you will copy in your copy as a classwork. Okay. And I'll give you few questions as a homework and I hope you have understood this. And I always say that if you have any problem, you can ask me. Okay, you have my number, you can ask me. If you have any problem regarding my subject, you can ask me. Okay, so I hope that you have understood these factors and multiples. In my next class, I will teach you the new exercise 5.3. Okay, so for today up to this much. Okay, and I also hope that you are doing this work in your copy as a classwork and you are even doing the homeworks. Okay, so for today up to this much. Thank you.